Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how you can view your media on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin. Okay, so let's maybe switch it from my face, though it doesn't really matter, and I barely missed the button. Now, in order to view your media, all you really want to do is simply swipe from the bottom to the center of the screen. And you will notice all your... Oh, sorry, I can't really pause this. Okay, never mind. Anyway, you can see all your media here. You have the ability to speed it up, to trim it, to seek it. And as you can see, you can just scroll here. You can always click this button to see a different media. So as you can see, this is a nice way for you to see more videos. And you can always preview them. And for example, beautiful video, beautiful piece of media. We can always mark it and we can tag our favorite moment. This is mostly used in like very long videos that are like hour long. But as you can see, that's all for this video. And just like me from the past said, if you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.